Okay, it's now recording.
Okay.
Alrighty. We'll enable editing again. Okay. So I guess I've already sent out the invoices to every school. I obviously send them to the wrong place sometimes, but all of those, have already gone out. That we've got
I
purchase
think
order
eight.
numbers
They
for.
sent out 8 so far, I think, haven't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So what we probably can do is send them out to all of the private schools, right?
All right.
So I'm just looking at this add sensitivity label. No, don't worry about that. What we can do is come over to, if you scroll over to column K,
Yeah.
and there's a little drop down arrow at the top of it.
Yeah. Send to showing all.
Yeah. So we don't want to show all. We just want to show all of the schools that we can send it to their school, right?
Right.
Because we don't need to go through EdConnect. We don't need a purchase order number for them.
No. Well,
Yeah.
okay. Not going to bother with the purchase order.
Well, we might. I don't think we need them.
Okay. All right.
Schools seem to say they
Okay.
they don't
All right.
need one. So if you click on that down arrow,
It says send to showing all.
yep. But
in the little
when you do
request.
that, it should come up with a menu so you can just filter for the ones that you need.
So what do I do?
Click on that one, left click on that one.
It's just disappearing. Nothing's happening.
That's very mysterious. Okay, let's just hit that select label. I don't know what that means at the top there. Add sensitivity label.
Select label.
Okay. You have to.
Yes.
Or editing.
This is something which has cropped up now recently.
I've never
Select
seen that before in my life. Oh, okay.
Like unofficial.
Sure.
If you do it on a Word document, it prints it out at the bottom of the page.
Okay.
I don't know what it's doing. Apply.
Yep.
Okay.
Now we should be good to go. Yep.
Okay.
So that's going to have a lot of different things.
Yes.
And that's fine. What we can do though is find where it says EdConnect. So we'll have to scroll down a little bit and we'll just turn those ones off. Yeah. Yeah. So click the tick next to EdConnect.
Click the tick next to EdConnect.
That's going to turn, that's going to turn, like it'll hide all of the ones that have EdConnect on them, leaving you just the ones that we're okay to send out invoices to.
Okay, righto. Oh, there's a few that have already gone, already marked. Good.
Yes. Yep.
In red. Okay.
Yep. All right. So we can save that one. And what we'll want to do is put in all of the invoice numbers. So we're going to make an invoice number for each of these before we go back to our Word.
We have a column for invoice
that's right.
numbers.
Yep, that's exactly right.
We go back to that column.
Yep.
Here's invoice number over here.
Yep. Yep. So if you don't want to have like sequential numbers,
well, I'm happy to have sequential numbers. No, that's what I've always done.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, there's no other.
So we can put all those in. I think we got up to
You've got up 8. Right, so do I have to put these in one by one or?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
There might be another way of doing it, but that's the simplest one.
All right.
Okay, so it's coming up red, and that means that 9 is already taken.
Oh, okay. Righto.
Yep. And what we can do now is
I put
actually,
in 10 and still come up red.
yeah, it's because you've now got 2 10s in there. So change line 6 to 10. All right, to 11.
Start again.
Yep.
So 9.
No, that one should be 10. That one should be 10.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. Cool. Now, rather than typing all these in, we can actually just, if you select those, even just rows 6 and 8 together, we can use a little dragging thing to make that
Right.
sequence.
What do? I connect the rows 6
So,
and 8.
no, just in column C.
I'm just in column C. All
Yeah.
right.
So, yep, just click and hold and drag. Yep, perfect. Now let go. And then see how there's a little square in the bottom right
Yeah.
of that cell? Yeah, so you can grab that and drag it down, and it'll make a sequence of numbers. So you don't want to drag. No. The really small square.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah,
Oh, of
that one.
course. Of
Yeah,
course.
yeah. So don't drag them down past 21, just to
Don't
19.
drag it, but just
Just to 19.
Got something in the.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, okay. You might have to just put in.
Hang on. Just get rid of these.
Yeah.
Right.
So if you choose 10, that rows 4 and 6 in that column.
Yes. Now go to this little
Yeah,
thing
now you
here.
get it. Yeah. And now it knows you're trying to do a sequence of numbers. Or should do. Oh, it hasn't.
All turned out to be tens.
Yeah. Oh well. You should be able to do it. It's dumb. Might have to go 3 numbers or something so it knows you're definitely doing a sequence. Yeah, that worked. 3 numbers seem to work.
No.
Oh, okay. No, click that little square off to the side. You might
one
have
here?
Yep.
That's
No, that's not helpful. Oh,
look, I'll just put him in by hand. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We're just wasting time here.
Yes. That's really dumb. Why does it work on my computer but not yours?
Okay. All right. So I've got us to 10.
Yeah.
Anyway, we might be able to do some of these. I can do more later.
Yep.
Let's get down to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So we'll save that one.
Stop there for the moment.
Yep. Let me just look here. So, yep. So we're going to put in today's date into column D, because that's the date that's going to go onto the invoice itself.
Right. So today's date is the
23rd.
23rd.
Awesome. And so we can probably copy that and paste him down. So if you
drag down, it'll.
If you drag down, it might go sequential dates, which would be not what we want.
Nothing happened.
Yeah. So now paste. Oh, okay. Oh, hang on. We got rid of the column name for some reason. Yeah. Okay. So if you're going to put in the date, all of them, you're just going to click on D4.
Click on D4.
No, D4. So the cell.
Oh, the cell D4.
Yeah.
Cell D4, right.
Yep. You're going to go Control C.
Control C for copy.
Yep. And we're going to click first in D4, just once. And then you're going to hold Shift and click on D19.
Hold Shift, click on D19.
Yep, so that's now selected all of those cells, and now we can go Control V for copy.
Control V.
V for Victor. There we go.
There we are. Good. Okay, so we've got that.
Yep.
We've got a number, we've got a date.
We've got a number and a date. Fantastic. That is all we need. So let's save that one. Yep, and now we can leave it open, but we'll go back to our File Explorer and open that Word document again.
That's the template.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, we'd want to continue.
Now I connect to the new data source. Oh no,
Yep.
put the file.
No, you need to go back to your downloads folder and we'll point it to that Excel document.
Download folder. All right. Point it to the Excel.
Mm-hmm.
There. Open.
That's the one.
Error has occurred. Type data mismatch in.
Yep. Go OK. I think just, yeah, find data source. Probably, hang on. I think what's happened is we accidentally changed a column name and it won't like that. So let's go back to the Excel. Should be easy to fix. But this is why we don't want to muck around with the column names.
Go back to the Excel.
Yep. No, you've got it open already.
Okay, sorry. It's on the
You're
Excel.
Right. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
All right.
So column D, it should be date invoice generated. Yeah. Yep, and capital I for invoice and capital G for generated.
Invoice generated.
Yep. And hit enter. Oh, you got a space after it, so just backspace 1.
Backspace 1.
Yep, enter. All right, now we'll save that one. And we'll go back to our Word document, which again, you already have open. So now we're going to point it back to that Excel. So now it should be happy. It's looking for really specific column titles. And if it doesn't have those, it freaks out.
So sorry, what do I do?
Yep, so find data source.
I'll find data source. Right. Okay.
And then we go to the downloads folder.
Download folder.
Yeah, and there we go.
Data source.
Yep. Fantastic.
Open.
And
Okay.
the tab is responses. So I was looking for which table I'd need to look at. So responses, the fourth one down,
All right.
and go OK. Now it's happy.
Okay.
So at the moment, you can see it's saying Endeavour Sport High School.
Yes.
We're going to go up to mailings. And this is where we can, just go with the ones that we need. Edit recipient list.
Sorry, edit recipient list.
Mhm.
Yes.
And this is where we can start to filter out the ones we don't want.
Right.
So just to make life easy, down in the bottom right, just to the bottom right of OK, there's like 3 little lines across the bottom of the window there. You can drag that bigger from there. Yep.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. So what we want to do is, I guess, filter just the ones with date invoice generated for today, right? So if we scroll over just a little bit. Wonderful. So, yep.
Click on that.
You certainly do.
Sort.
And then we're going just for the ones with, it's American dates, but it'll work itself out. So 2/23, 24.
So I do numbers, do I? Or do I
Just
sort?
no,
Sort.
just the ones with 2/23. Just the ones for today.
Oh, I see. Right.
Yeah. Yep. So now you've only got the ones that we can send out that you've already put in,
Right. Okay. And this.
Yep. So you can go OK.
So we should
Awesome.
have a number of these.
Yeah. Now I've just I've just realized see it's got purchase order is blank. We can fix that. So if we go back to the Excel for a second. And in column I, you got purchase order required.
Yes.
So we're going to set those to no. So that'll actually be not a filter thing. It'll just be, we're actually going to put in the word no.
Oh, I see.
It'll have a drop down.
Is there?
Yep. So the drop down is little arrow off to the right of the cell. There you go. Yeah.
And we can pull that down.
Yep. You got it.
And
in fact, that can go all the way down because all of these you don't need one. That's what the filter was, wasn't it?
We took out. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and this will skip all the ones that do need them.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yep. Okay, let's save that one.
Okay.
And then we can go back to the Word document. So what we need to do is refresh its connection to the Excel. So you go up to mailings.
Up to mailings.
And we're going to go not edit recipient list. Actually, yeah, edit recipient list. And you see you got that data source.
Data source, yes.
Yep. So you're going to click down. There's a window a little bit below that. says data source. To the left of, yeah, that's perfect. So you click on 2024 schools in that bottom window.
Okay.
Keep going down.
What all of them?
No, keep going down. See, so you got the blue text.
Oh,
It's
down
yeah,
here.
yeah, perfect.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah, click
What do I
there.
do with that? Click there.
Yep, and we're going to go refresh.
Okay.
And go okay. And see, now we've got NA next to purchase order number.
Right. Yep.
So there was a little formula in the Excel that when you say no, we don't need one, it's going to return NA next to the purchase order number.
Right. Okay.
Wonderful. So now we've got our all of that to get to this point, but this is the easy bit. So yeah, if we can just save this one as a PDF.
Save as.
Yep. File, save as. And instead of Word document as the type, we're going to save it as a PDF.
Got this thing over the top of it. Get out of the way. So Word document.
Yeah.
PDF.
Yep. And yeah, my not yet, because now it's just saving. It'll save them all as invoice template, which is not very descriptive.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it won't say which one's which.
No, so
Okay.
we've got to name it properly. And yeah, my recommendation is going like the year, month, day, because then it'll always appear in order.
Yes.
And then the name of the school.
So how do we do this?
Okay, so let's go back to the Word document. So before we do anything, we're just going to copy the school name. So we'll select Aquinas Catholic College. Yep, go Control-C. And now we'll go File, Save As. Yep, so before we do anything, we're going to save it as a PDF, but then we're not going to keep Save As yet because we'll rename it first.
Sorry, we're going to save as over here.
So we're not going to hit Save already.
Right.
We're going to change it to PDF first.
Right.
Yep. And then for the file name, which is a bit above that PDF button you just clicked.
Voice template. Yeah.
Yep. So we're going to rename that one. So we'll go like 2024 -02 -23 space, and then we're going to Control V for copy.
Control V.
And now we can save that as. So there's your invoice.
Okay. So I have to save each one independently, or will they?
Only because we need it to just yeah, we need to name them properly.
Sometimes people want to have. I'll have to be able to find a particular invoice in case
That's
somebody
right.
said they didn't arrive or said it
That's
again.
right.
Or something.
Yep.
It does happen.
Yeah. So now we know when it was generated and which school it's associated with. So that should be good to go. In terms of marking it off, if you go back to your Excel, and date invoice sent, we're just going to put the date in there in column F.
column F, Dave was set.
Yeah.
Did we have that there before?
I think so.
Did we have that? Yeah.
Oh, hang on. No, you're down the bottom of the document.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, there's.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yep. So when you put a date in there, that line will go green, and you'll know you're done.
When I put a date in, the date invoice sent.
Yep. So to cell F4.
Yeah, right. So if I just put in today's date.
Yep. There you go. It's green.
Oh, it's not green, it's red on my screen.
Oh, red text, but the cell, like the whole row's colored green now.
Oh, yeah, very not really. Just
Okay.
sort of
It is green, but
looks green to you, does it?
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, wonderful. So that tells you. I mean, you haven't sent the email yet, so maybe
No.
we should have done that after you sent the email. But yeah, and then now you've got send to Marie, whatever it is.
Yeah.
That's where you need to send that one.
Yeah. Mhm. All right. So, what do we do now? We go back to the
I mean, if you want to
The
send
Word
the email, if you want to send the email now, just to complete the process.
well, just so I know that it's worked. I've
Yep.
got through. I'm going to have to finish up soon because I've got to go.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
a doctor.
Okay.
All right, we might leave it.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, do you want to do one more, and I won't say anything, and see if you can navigate your way through?
I really don't have time now, mate.
Well, you just go to mail. I'll show you get to the next one. I need to show you how you get to the next one. So go to the Word.
Go to mailings.
Mailings. And there's a little play, like a play symbol on the right there, next to preview results.
Yes.
Yep. So that you want to go the next arrow. So to the right of 1.
Right of 1.
Yep.
Yes.
Click there. There you go. So now you're on the next one, Mercy Catholic College.
Okay. And there's that emerging, but they haven't gone yet. They created the emails created, budget sent.
No, it hasn't been sent. You need to email out that document that we just made before. You have to email this one as well.
Oh, so what do I finish?
So, but now you've got the details for Mercy Catholic College in there.
Yes.
So you'll have to do the same process we did before. But
right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. But I have to leave it at that, I think.
Yep. That's fine. And this is recorded, so I'll send you the recording.
That'd be good. All right, mate. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Sorry, gotta go.
No, all good. Bye.